Is the Jasseem Mole and Wart Removal Laser Pen the miracle skincare solution it claims to be, or just another cleverly marketed gimmick designed to lure in hopeful buyers? It promises smooth, flawless skin without the need for expensive dermatology visits, using advanced CO laser technology that supposedly delivers visible results in just 2 weeks. With claims of being FDA and CE approved, and boasting a 96% customer satisfaction rate, it sounds almost too good to pass up. But when you scratch beneath the surface, things start to look suspicious. The certificates they showcase for legitimacy appear to be generic and are reused across several unrelated websites, which raises doubts about their authenticity. The doctor-approved endorsements are nothing more than common stock images used by countless other sketchy brands. What's even more concerning is that the product description, page design, and marketing language are nearly identical to those used in the well-known Kids Need Laser Pen scam. Their website includes clickable social media icons, but none of them lead anywhere, another classic sign of a hastily thrown-together operation. And while they flaunt over 90,000 glowing reviews, there's no sign of real customer feedback on reputable platforms like Trustpilot, where many similar products receive overwhelmingly negative ratings. All of this makes it hard to ignore the possibility that this product may not be as legitimate or effective as it claims. While we're not calling it a complete scam, the red flags are hard to overlook, and anyone considering buying it should do so with caution and a healthy dose of skepticism.